How to start a profitable blog. Starting a blog isn't just a hobby anymore, it can be a powerful way to make money, build a personal brand, and even earn a full-time income. Today, I'm breaking down the step-by-step process of starting a profitable blog from scratch. Whether you're brand new or you've tried blogging before, this guide will walk you through choosing the right niche, setting up your site, creating content, and monetizing your blog. Let's get started. 1. Choose a profitable niche. To start a profitable blog, your niche should align with your interests, expertise, and have a clear audience. Use tools like Google Trends, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to check demand. A specific angle can help you stand out. Think home workouts for busy professionals rather than a general fitness blog. The goal is to find a niche that you're passionate about but also has profit potential. 2. Set up your blog. After choosing a niche, pick a domain name that's short, memorable, and relevant to your topic. For hosting, reliable options like Bluehost, SiteGround, and HostGator ensure your blog loads quickly and remains secure. WordPress is the go-to platform for customization and ease of use. Also, install essential plugins like Yoast SEO for SEO, WP Super Cache for speed, and Jetpack for security. 3. Create high-quality content. Content is what keeps readers coming back, so focus on creating posts that are valuable, interesting, and solve real problems. Aim for at least one post per week. Use Google Keyword Planner or answer the public to research popular topics in your niche. Relevant keywords can help your content reach a wider audience. 4. Optimize for SEO. To increase your blog's visibility, start with on-page SEO, optimize titles, headers, and meta descriptions with keywords naturally. Add internal links and image alt text to improve accessibility. Build backlinks by networking with other bloggers, and make sure your site is mobile-friendly, as a majority of readers access blogs on their phones. 5. Build an audience with social media and email marketing. Promoting your blog on social media platforms like Instagram and Twitter drives traffic. Choose platforms that fit your niche's audience, and share content regularly. Start building an email list early on by offering a lead magnet like a checklist or ebook in exchange for signed UPS. Email marketing is one of the best ways to retain readers and keep them engaged. 6. Monetize your blog. Once you have a steady audience, start monetizing. Common strategies include affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, digital products, and display ads. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by recommending products relevant to your niche. Sponsored posts can be lucrative once you've built a strong following. Selling digital products, like ebooks or courses, is another way to make passive income. Finally, with enough traffic, display ads through networks like Google AdSense or Mediavine provide an additional revenue stream. 7. Track, analyze, and scale. Monitoring your blog's performance helps you refine your strategy. Google Analytics and Google Search Console show which posts perform well, what keywords attract traffic, and other valuable insights. As your blog grows, consider outsourcing tasks like content writing or social media management to free up time for growth-focused activities. So, building a profitable blog takes dedication, but by following these steps, choosing a profitable niche, setting up your blog, creating quality content, promoting it, and monetizing, you can turn your blog into a source of income. Remember, consistency is key, and every successful blogger started small. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more content on growing your online business.